Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into your Amegy Bank account. First of all, open up any browser. I am using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in amegybank.com and click on enter. After that you will be redirected to official homepage of Amegy Bank. Now at the top right corner you will find sign in button, click on it. Now select which bank account you have and click on it. After that, type in your username and password. And check this box if you want to save your credential for further use. And click on sign in button to log into your Amegy Bank account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.